Okay, YouTube, today is my birthday, and I've got some gifts. I'm going to save the best for last, okay? So first I'm going to take my hat off. Okay, first thing I got was a $5 pistol belt. It's the one that unsnaps like that. Okay? That will come real and good and handy. Second thing I got was a 300-foot roll of paracord. I mean, this is 55. This is made by Rothco. Rothco is my favoriteest company to buy stuff for. Okay, and well, actually, second and third would be this new canteen with the canteen cover, and inside the canteen. Hold on, let me get it out. Of course, you probably know it's a canteen cup, but let me show you. It's one of them steel canteen cups. One that folds out like that. That would be good for what I have. And it comes with this bag that has the pockets for it. And I know that somebody told me not to get Jungle Boots, but I did anyways. Because they didn't have Rocky Alpha boots, so I went ahead and got some that looked just like them, but they're waterproof. They're made by Rothco, and this came from a very, very, very special friend. His name is David Pearson. Now, he sent me a grill in this neat little bag right here. I mean, I was about to cry. Here it is. Specially made by Dave Pearson. Really big monkey one. I mean, look at that. And it comes with these 4 leg stands like this. I'm making a video tomorrow, so I'll show you more about that. See, they go like this. See if you can see that. Okay, so they go like this. I mean, I don't even know how he made the leg stands on these. I mean, the welding is a wonderful job. See, like that, and I can just build the fire underneath here. And this bag is awesome. I mean, this camouflage bag. And it comes with this stand that he sent me for the coffee pot or my canteen cup or something. So, that was basically all my gifts I got for my birthday, and I got 20 bucks from my grandma. So, thank y'all for watching, and we'll be back here shortly.